My name's Blake, and today I'm driving Brad Steele's '67 Caprice Wagon. I think if I can tree some people, this thing gets off the line pretty good, and as long as what I'm up against isn't terribly fast, then I may be able to win a round or two, but ultimately don't think I'm going to go very far. I know that it is a death trap and somewhat of a rust bucket in some spots, or was, and Brad's fixed a lot of that, a lot of the important stuff, and you know, it looked like something that belonged in a junkyard until he got his hands on it. He's really brought it a long ways. Still a little sketchy though, I'm just telling you, in the driver's seat it's still a little sketchy. Basically we're just doing some 8th mile drag racing. The cars are broken out in classes depending on how old it is, you know, the year, model, range, what engine it has in it, you know, what mods they have in it. I saw him get on it because he was about 2 cars ahead of me on a 40-mile cruise, and I'm about to get murked. Tell us what happened. New car. I was nervous and, you know, jacked it up. So what'd you run? I ran a 9.0.
My name's Ferris Wagon. I'm from Caprice, Alabama. That's a 1983 C10 stock truck when I bought it. I give $700 for it. Well, at first we put a LT motor in it, and then we put a 5.3 burning pistons up, so we decided to go to a 6.0. Can't handle the boots; they get too hot and burns the piston up. Yeah, it's 88 millimeter, just a China turbo, 6.0 motor. Makes about 740 to the rear wheel. A year and a half ago, I run like a 698 or something like that. I don't really remember.
My name's Brent Steele. Today I'm going to be racing a 1981 Pontiac Trans Am, and it has a junkyard 5.3 and 4L60. Only thing that's been done to it is headers, which are eBay Speed Engineering shorty headers, LS2 intake, LS2 injectors, cold air intake, and other than that, it's a pretty stock engine. I've had the car for about 16 years now. It was actually my first car. Got it from Burgess Body Shop in Moulton, Alabama, and it was a piece of junk. And up until probably 6 or 7 years ago, it was still a piece of junk.
Gibson, my 60 F100 Franken-truck. Pulled out the original wire block V8, put in a 350 Vortec full roller motor. It's got flat top pistons, comp cams 525, 510, comp cams full rollers, relieved heads, LSX beehive springs, Edelbrock intake and carb, and 150 shot of natural. I just put a Positrack spool in it with a peg leg spinning over that track. Do a lot better than this.
So I'm actually having to leave and go home a little bit early, but we still got to go down the track 3 times, and you know, all I want to do is go out here and race a couple times. So I at least got to go down the track. Obviously it's not a big deal because I wasn't going to be competitive in the class that I was in anyways, but nevertheless we had a great time. It was a great event. There was a lot of cool cars here, and we hope you enjoyed the video. And